Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to show you how to handle auto suggestion text box fields using actions class of Selenium. Let's get started. Here is the example web page. So I have opened this example web page here, and this web page has this text box field. It's not a normal text box field, guys. It's a auto suggestion text box field. That means when I type or enter a character, say A, so all the options that are having this letter A, either in the beginning or in the between or at the end, whatever it is, those options are coming up. Now I need to select an option. Let's say I want to select Appium. Okay. The way I am entering the text into this text box field is I just need to type a single character A and select one option like this, guys. Let's say I want to do the same thing with Selenium. In case of Selenium, we have to use the actions class. Okay, to get this done, we have to use actions class. Let me practically show you how to type A and select Appium into this text box field using Selenium by using the actions class of Selenium. So here is some sample Selenium automation code, guys, which will open the Chrome browser, maximize the browser, and will take you to this application URL page. Will take you here, guys. Okay, it will take you to this application URL page. After you are taken here, what we have to do? What we have to do, guys? Here we need to enter the letter A and select Appium. So before I enter the anything into this text box field, auto suggestion text box field, let me inspect this text box field so that I can locate it. So it has some ID, guys, ID as tags. So I copied this tags. Now I'll say driver dot find element by dot ID. What is the ID, guys? Tags. So I'll create the web element for this text box field. Okay, I'll create the web element for this text box field. I'll simply say text field. Okay, auto suggestion text field. Over the mouse, create local variable. That's it. The text field web element is ready now. The first thing that we have to do in this text field is that I need to enter the single letter A. Okay. First of all, I have to, and in order to select the Appium, in order to enter the Appium, I just need to type A. So how to type A into the text field? Simple. Text field dot send keys we have to say. Okay. Inside the send keys, we have to, whatever the text we have to type, right, that we have to enter, say A. So this will type A here like this. Once the A is typed, what happens? These options are coming. Now, how to select this option? Let's say I want to select Appium option. For that, guys, for selecting this Appium option after typing the letter A, we need to use actions class. Let me show you how to use actions class. Just create an object for the actions class. Actions is equal to new actions like this, and hover the mouse on actions and import this actions from Selenium. It's a predefined class of Selenium. We have to import it, and this actions constructor cannot be empty. So in this constructor, we have to pass the object of the web driver, that is driver here. Then we have to say actions dot. So I'll say send keys. Okay, here also actions dot send keys. The second version I will take this. Okay, instead of taking the normal send keys, I will take send keys web element keys. Okay, here what is the target? Target is nothing but the text field. Okay, in this on this text field, that is this particular text field, after you type A, in this text field I want to press arrow key. Okay, which arrow key? For selecting this Appium option, after typing A, these options are coming. For selecting this Appium option, what I want to do is I want to press down key. Okay, there will be four keys, right, left, right, up and down arrow keys on your keyboard. I want to press down arrow key like this. Okay, and press enter key. After this I want to press enter key, then Appium will be entered, right? So I want to do the same thing on this particular text field. I want to type which key? Keys dot arrow down. Okay, this one, guys. Keys dot arrow down. Then say dot send keys, again send keys. This time I will say keys dot enter. Keys dot enter. After keys dot enter, I have to say dot build dot perform. Okay, like that. So let's see whether this will run or not. Okay, this may or may not run, guys. Okay, I'll tell you the reason why this may not run sometimes. Okay, sometimes it may run, sometimes it may not run. It may not work properly, guys. It may not be able to select this Appium option when you run this code. Even though the code is correct also, things may not work sometimes. Let's see what is happening now. Based on the result, I will explain whether we have to add any additional code or not. So you'll be taken to the page having the auto suggestion text field. Okay, you see, did it work? it was able to enter A, but it has not selected APM, guys. Okay, there was no error also. The problem here is the moment you are typing A here, okay, when you are typing A here, when you are typing A here, these options are not immediately coming, guys. They are taking some time. Okay, there is a small time gap. The moment when you say A, there is a small time gap before these options are coming. But Selenium WebDriver is very fast. That's why we are not able to perform this keyboard key actions. Okay, so we can do what? Thread dots sleep. Just add some timing, guys. Okay, let's say 2 seconds. Okay, just let's add thread dot sleep. So after you type A, it will take some time for this options to appear. So I'm giving 2 seconds. That will be more than enough. Now let me run the code. This time this will work. Let me run this code. This time we should be able to, guys. Okay, we should be able to select the enter the text into the after 2 seconds. You see, APM got entered into the text field. So without thread dot sleep, this is not working, guys. With thread dot sleep, it is working. We need to wait for the options to appear. Then only we have to press the keyboard key, down keyboard key, or enter keyboard key. Okay, arrow down or enter keyboard keys. We have to enter later once these options are appearing only. That's why we added thread dot sleep. So hope guys you understood how to handle the auto suggestion text box fields for entering the text into them in this session. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.